So you're diving into the world of tech, looking for a new computer, and bam, you hit the first major crossroads: Windows or macOS. Both operating systems have their own unique strengths and, let's be real, a couple of quirks too. Whether you're a creative pro, a business guru, a hardcore gamer, or just need a reliable machine for everyday use, your operating system is the foundation. In this video, we're breaking down the biggest differences between Windows and macOS. We'll dive deep into the specs, the features, the ecosystem, and everything in between to help you decide which OS will truly level up your tech game. Let's get started. First up, let's talk software. Windows, developed by Microsoft, has been the dominant force in the PC world for decades. Almost every piece of software out there is designed with Windows compatibility in mind. macOS, on the other hand, is Apple's baby, known for its sleek integration with the Apple ecosystem. If you're rocking an iPhone, iPad, or even an Apple Watch, macOS just seamlessly blends into your digital life. Plus, macOS has a strong reputation for creative applications, especially in video editing and music production. Think Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, the big leagues. Your software needs will play a huge role in determining which OS is right for you. Alright, let's talk performance. Windows is known for its flexibility and customization options. You can tweak almost every aspect of the operating system, from the look and feel to the performance settings. macOS, on the other hand, is all about that streamlined, optimized experience. Since Apple designs both the hardware and software, macOS is finely tuned to run smoothly on Apple devices. However, that optimization comes at a cost. You have less control over the system's inner workings. Both operating systems have come a long way in terms of performance. Ultimately, the performance you experience will depend heavily on the specific hardware you're using. So, do your research, check out those benchmarks, and choose a machine that aligns with your performance needs. Let's be honest, aesthetics matter. When it comes to design and user experience, Windows and macOS have very distinct personalities. Windows has gone through a ton of visual overhauls over the years, but it's always been about flexibility. You can customize the look and feel to your heart's content with themes, widgets, and all sorts of tweaks. macOS, on the other hand, is all about that sleek, minimalist aesthetic. Everything from the icons to the animations is designed to be visually appealing and intuitive. Some people thrive on the customization options of Windows, while others appreciate the elegance and simplicity of macOS. Spend some time with both operating systems to see which design language resonates with you. Security is a big deal. Historically, Windows has had a reputation for being vulnerable to viruses and malware. However, Microsoft has stepped up its game in recent years with robust built-in security features like Windows Defender. macOS, on the other hand, has a reputation for being more secure out of the box. Apple's tight control over its ecosystem and the App Store means there's less chance of downloading malicious software. But no operating system is 100% immune to security threats. It's crucial to practice safe computing habits regardless of which OS you choose. Use strong passwords, be cautious about the links you click, and keep your software up to date. Alright, let's talk about money. One of the biggest differences between Windows and macOS is the price. Windows PCs come in a mind-boggling range of prices, from budget-friendly laptops to high-end gaming rigs. Macs, on the other hand, are known for their premium pricing. But that higher price often comes with some perks like build quality, sleek design, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. When you buy a Mac, you're also paying for the software experience. Ultimately, the best OS for you depends on your budget and priorities. If you're willing to pay a premium for that Apple ecosystem and the overall user experience, macOS might be the way to go. Let's talk about the bigger picture: ecosystem integration. This is where macOS really shines. If you're all in on the Apple ecosystem, macOS just seamlessly connects everything. Windows, on the other hand, plays well with a wider range of devices, but the integration isn't always as seamless. Microsoft has made efforts to improve its ecosystem with features like OneDrive for cloud storage and your phone app for connecting your Android phone. Think about your current tech setup. Are you deep in the Apple ecosystem, or do you prefer the flexibility of mixing and matching devices? Your ecosystem preferences will definitely influence your OS decision. So, there you have it. The ultimate showdown between Windows and macOS. Both operating systems have their strengths and weaknesses, and the best choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're all about flexibility, customization, and having access to the widest range of software and hardware, Windows might be the way to go. On the other hand, if you value simplicity, elegance, and that seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, macOS is a strong contender. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try them out for yourself. Head to a store, play around with both operating systems, and see which one feels right at home. Choosing the system that suits you depends on your personal needs and how you use your computer. Be sure to prioritize your needs and experience with both systems before making your final decision.